Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the Suspension Maxx Heavy Duty Sway Bar end links fitting your 06 through 18 Dodge Ram 1500s excluding the Mega Cab. This is perfect for the Ram owner who has worn out or aging end links and is looking for an aftermarket option that has an improved design and more durable bushings. So if you're not sure if your end links are bad, if you hear noise coming from your wheel well area when you go over bumps, or if you can take a look at your end links and you see the bushings are cracked or flattened out, it may be time to replace them. These end links were designed for trucks with stock suspension to replace the quick wearing OE end links. Now if your truck does have a lift or leveling kit on it, they do offer an option for 0 to 3-inch lift in the front. These end links measure 7.5 inches from the A-arm to the center of the sway bar and feature a non-adjustable design. These end links are constructed from heavy-duty steel and feature 4140 alloy steel eyelets as well as urethane bushings. So as far as price goes, this one comes in at around $125. Now this will only run you a bit more than an OE style replacement, and for your money you're getting a heavy duty end link with the durability of a urethane bushing. I'm giving this install a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It features direct bolt-up installation and can be done within an hour. So with that said, let's jump right into our install. For this install you will need an impact gun or ratchet, 19, 16, and 14 millimeter sockets, 16, 15, 14, 8, and 18 millimeter wrenches. All right, so the first step in our uninstall is to remove the nut holding our end link into the knuckle using a ratcheting 18 millimeter wrench and an 8 millimeter wrench to hold the bottom part of it. Loosen it up. All right, for the top one, you're gonna need a 16 millimeter socket and a 15 millimeter wrench to hold this part. You can also do it the same way with an 8 millimeter here, but I think this will be a little bit easier. Now you're gonna do that on the other side, and once all 4 nuts are removed, you can now move your sway bar. So lift it up over the top and remove the end link. All right, spin the hardware off the bottom. Now it says right here, this one should face outward. There should be a note on it. So you're just gonna place it in the bottom like this, and then reinstall the hardware loosely for now. Remove the nut, bushing, and plate from the top. You may have to push the bottom bushing down. Line it up with the sway bar, pull down on the sway bar, and replace them. All right, so we're gonna start with tightening the nut up top here, which is a 14. And in order to hold the bolt still, the head of the bolt is down here, which is also a 14. This guy can kind of be hard to get on, but as long as you're holding it still, it should be good. Grab your 14 millimeter socket and tighten it down. Next up, we can tighten down the bottom nut within 19 and use a 16 to hold it still right here. All right, so once you have those tightened down, you do want to check torque on both nuts and just double check these bushings. You want them to be tight but not overly compressed. That can shorten the life of the end link. Once you're finished with that, repeat the process on the other side. All right, so that's gonna do it for the review and install of these end links. Remember, for all things Ram, keep it at AmericanTrucks.com.